Yeah, we're getting ready for a walk, and there's little Peter Cottontail. Sitting there just going, hey, I'm just eating. Not doing much. Coming, guess she's gonna come up and see us. Well, hi there, Bunny Bunny. Well, hi there, Bunny Bunny. Waving at you now. Yeah. Evidently, they're getting a little bit used to us. She'll take off here in a second. Won't you? You'll take off, and there you go. Oh, yeah. Then here, let me show you what's over here, hon. So over here, we have where'd it go? There it is. We got a little bird nest. See it? See the eggs? Right there. 3 of them.
Oh, yeah.
Little sparrow eggs.
Little bitty.
Yeah.